How are you all? Children, now today your maths class, okay? Tomorrow you have a EVS class, okay? One little small changes. Okay, children? Today you have a maths class, okay? Then tomorrow you have a EVS class. Okay? Take your maths book. Okay, good children. Have you all had your breakfast, children? Yes? Finish? Okay. Already you know the numbers 0 to 100. Yes? Children, do you know the number 0 to 100 very well? Yes? Yes or no? Yes. Very good. Okay. First we will revise the number. Okay. Tell me what number is this? 17. Good. Tell me what number is this? 30. Good children. Tell me what number is this? 4. Good. And then what number is this? 9. Very good. Now Harshita, tell me what number is this? K Harshita. 20. Very good. Now Dharmesh Nair, tell me what number is this? 94. Very good. Then Kunal, tell me what number is this? 40. Good. Then Basundara, tell me. Basundara Naik, tell me what number is this? 80. Good. Next. Tanusri, tell me. Tanusri Sisa, 96. Very good. Then Arusi. Arusi, tell me what number is this? 100. Very good. Lovely Bala. Next, Harshita Minch. Tell me, Harshita Minch. 90. Very good. Then Sohanjana, tell me. 29. Very good. Taniska Malik, tell me. Taniska Malik. 48. Very good. Ronit Sarkar, tell me Ronit Sarkar. 81. Very good. Now, Jonah, tell me 50. Very good. 50. Then Arushi Gupta. Arushi Gupta, tell me. 26. Very good. Okay. Next. Vibhutiva. Vibhuti, tell me. 1, 2. Very good. 1, 2. 12. Good children. You all are good children. Do you know the numbers near you? 0 to 100. Yes? Okay, good. Okay, today we will learn about small to big. Repeat after me, children. Sit properly. Children, look at me and sit properly. Okay, repeat after me. Small to big. Small to big. Tell me. Small to big. Repeat after me. Small to big. Already you know small things and big, small object, big object already you know. Yes? This now we will learn small to big. Means one small object, then little more big, and then little more big, big. Okay? The small to big called ascending order. Okay? Small to big. Now look at me. Now look at me. Look at my book. Okay, children. Okay. Now what is this, children? You know what is this? Mouse. What is this? Mouse. Do you know? Yes. Is mouse small or big? Here some animals are there. First one, look at me. Tell me. First one, mouse. Second one, rabbit. Okay, first one, mouse or rat also, no problem. Okay. Rat, rabbit, deer, and elephant. Okay, children, tell me, repeat after me. Rat, rabbit, deer, elephant. Once again, rat, rabbit, deer, elephant. Okay, here how many animals is there? 4 animals. Okay, first animal, look at the first animal. What is this? Rat. Okay, rat is big animal or small animal? Small animal, yes? Okay, next we'll compare with rabbit. Okay, now you see, first one rat, very small animal. Then rabbit, bigger than rat. Okay, children, do you understood? First one rat, the second rabbit you see, bigger than rat. Next, deer you see, bigger than rabbit. Okay, then elephant, bigger than deer. Do you understood, children? One more example. Look at the board. Now, look at the board, children. Okay. What is this? Ball. What is this? Ball. B-A-L, ball. Okay. Now you see, here also 4 balls is there. Yes? Okay. First ball you see, small or big? Okay, first ball you see, small ball, yes? Yes. Okay, then second ball, bigger than first ball. Yes? Second ball is bigger than first ball. And third ball you see, little more big. First one small, and second one little big, and third one little more big, and fourth one big ball. Yes, children? Okay, first one, this one small, and this one bigger than first ball, and third ball bigger than to second ball, and fourth ball bigger than to third ball. Yes? Okay, we'll call me, children. First ball, small. First ball, small. Tell me. Small. Then second ball, big. Big. Repeat after me, children. Small, big, bigger. Tell me bigger and biggest. Okay? Small, big, bigger and biggest. Okay? Once again, small, small ball, big ball, and this ball is bigger and biggest. Once again, small. Repeat after me, children. Kanishka Mali. Look at the board. Small, big, bigger, biggest. Okay, they understood, children? Okay, now. Okay, again, come to the book picture. Okay, the rat is small. The rat is, tell me, the rat is small. And the rabbit is big. The rabbit is big. Then deer is bigger. Tell me, the deer is bigger. And the elephant is biggest. The elephant is biggest animal. Okay. Tell me once again. The rat is small. The rat is small. The rabbit is big. And the deer is bigger. And the elephant is biggest. More big. Yes? Okay. Now, okay. Now, look at the next picture. What is this? Fruit. Which fruit? Do you know this fruit name? Do you know, children? Cherry. What is this? Cherry. Cherries. Do you know? Okay. Now, look at the first picture. How many cherries are there? Count and tell me. How many cherries are there? First picture, only first picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then first picture, how many cherries are there? 6. Okay. 6 cherries are there. Okay. Then second picture. How many cherries are there? Only 2 cherries. How many cherries? Only 2. Then last picture, you see how many cherries are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many cherries are there? Only 4 cherries. Okay. Now tell me which one is more number of cherries? Which one is less? You tell. Now this one, which one big? Which one bigger? Which one small like this? You tell. Now see, here 6 cherries and here 2 cherries and here 4 cherries. Okay, which one small? Which one small? 6 or 2 or 4? Which one small? 2. Show your 2 fingers. Which one is small? 2 is small. Then next, which one is big? 2. First one, 2 is small. Then next big, 4. Good. Bigger than 2. Yes, yes. First 2 is small. Then 4 cherries. Bigger than 2. Okay. Then last bigger number. Which one is bigger number? 6. Very good. 2 small, 4 big, then 6 bigger. Yes? Okay, tell me. 2 is small, big, then bigger. Okay, children? Okay, next. Look at the board. What is this? Pencil. Yes? Yes, pencil. Okay, first pencil you see. Tell me. Big, oh sorry, small, then big, bigger, and biggest. Okay, children? Tell me, repeat after me. Small, big, bigger, and biggest. Tell me. Small, big, bigger, and biggest. Okay. Okay. Now look at the board. 2. Read the number, children. 2. The next 6. 1. Then 7. Okay. 2, 6, 1, 7. Which one is small? Small number. Which one is small number? 2, 6, 1, 7. Which one is small? Show your finger. Show your finger. 1 is the small number. Yes? 1. Okay. The next. 1 is the small number. Next big number. Next big number. Show your finger. 2, 6, 7. Now 1 already we wrote. Then next. Small to big. 1. Next. 2. Very good. Okay. Then one big. 1, 2, then 6. Yes, very good. Then last one 7. Yes. First you see 1. Next big number 2. Next bigger number 6. Next biggest number 7. Understood, children? First one small number, then 2 big number, and 6 bigger number, then 7 biggest number. Okay, children? Okay. Now take your classwork note, box note. Take your box note and take your pencil. This is your classwork. Okay, children? This is your classwork. Write the heading small to big. Small to big. And you know that draw the ball picture. And write the spelling small. Down you write the spelling S-M-A-L-L, small. And then big. B-I-G, big. Then bigger, B-I-G-G-E-R. Then biggest, B-I-G-G-E-S-T, biggest. Take your classwork note and write small to big. Your topic is small to big. And draw the picture. Ball. Okay. Small, big, bigger, biggest. S-M-A-L-L, small. Then B-I-G, big. B-I-G-G-E-R, bigger. And B-I-G-G-E-S-T, biggest. Write down. Sogamjana, where is your note? Arushi, finish? Good, Kunal. Jonah, where is your note? Look at the board, see and write. Good. Tanusri. Tanusri, down you write the spelling. S-M-A-L-L, small. Finish. Okay, Harshita. Good. Good, good. Children, your time is over, children. Okay. You will see the next class. Okay, children. Your homework. Listen, children. Your homework 0 to 100 numbers. Okay. One time 0 to 100. You write the numbers. Okay. Sit at your home and write down 0 to 100 numbers and take photo and send through the WhatsApp. Okay, children? Okay, now your time is over. Very good, Jonah. Good.